anyone explain to me how I have 2 degrees? I have 2 degrees. Oh, and a certificate. I'm trying to apply for jobs right now, and the thing is, the only person I have responding to me is a man from a tech company saying, hey, you want to answer some customer service problems? Looking down at these, and I'm looking at them, and I'm kind of wondering. I'm like, what was this for again? Oh, I don't know.
There's no need even to have a college degree at all, or even in high school. If somebody graduated from a great university, that may be an indication that they will be capable of great things, but it's not necessarily the case. You know, if you look at, say, people like Bill Gates or Larry Ellison, Steve Jobs, these guys didn't graduate from college. But if you had a chance to hire them, of course, that would be a good idea.
Ever since I was young, my dad talked to me about 3 things. The number 1 thing was getting into Harvard. The number 2 thing was making lots of money. And the number 3 thing was investment banking. And that's exactly what I did. I got into Harvard. My junior year, I worked at Blackstone. And theoretically, this should be everything I ever wanted to do, because that's what my parents wished they had, also growing up poor. And I was just like, I actually hate this. I think the number 1 piece of advice is from Steve Jobs. This world was built by people no smarter than you. Growing up, I really thought my parents knew what was best and right for me. And it was a learning process. Like, they actually don't know. Their understanding of the world is very different from how the world actually is today. And what they tell me, even if they want the best, it might not necessarily be right.